What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, we got one heck of a play. This is a new coin that I have never did a video on, but this is a coin that we've been talking about recently over there in the Patreon, so I thought I'd bring it to you guys to share the plays. You know, your boy Stock Holiday love the small cap coins also. That's where we have been making some of the most of our largest profits and largest gains at in these small cap coins. I'm going to bring you another small cap coin that I got on my radar, and I have a new position in. So that new coin that I will be bringing to you guys is called Aventus. Aventus, ticker symbol AVT. But before we get into that, let's do a little bit of housekeeping. Today, Bitcoin is still holding strong. We love to see Bitcoin holding strong. The volatility in Bitcoin is not very heavy. You know, we currently are at 61,300. That's a great level for Bitcoin to be at. We are 1 day or 1.5 days away from the Bitcoin halving. So things are really gearing up. Things are really getting intense, and things are really getting exciting. Folks really don't know how to react, what to expect, so forth and so on. What's going to happen after the Bitcoin halving? Is the market going to take a crazy dip? Is the market going to take a crazy pump? There is a lot of uncertainty that is going around right now. And you know, whenever there's any fear, any uncertainty, or any doubt, the market will respond accordingly. As you can see, the Fear and Greed Index today is at 55. Yesterday or 2 days ago, the Fear and Greed Index was at 60. I thought 60 was a low number. Now today, the Fear and Greed Index is at 55. Wow, I didn't think that I would see a 55 Fear and Greed Index level anytime soon, but I'm loving it. I love when the Fear and Greed Index get real low. That's when we get real aggressive and we start to buy up the various projects and coins that we have been looking at, loving for the past year or so. So we're getting our positions ready. We'll continue to get our bags filled as heavy as we can. So, you know, we're expecting to have a great blowout parabolic run within the next 12 months. So we're just gearing up right now, buying these things low because we got the bird's eye view. We already know what we are to be expecting. Now, the Bitcoin dominance is at 54%. So the Bitcoin dominance is still heavy. It's still strong. So we are just going to watch those particular indicators. The Fear and Greed Index, the Bitcoin dominance, those are two of the main indicators that we are watching on our way to all new all-time highs in 2024 and 2025. So let's get into the topic of the day. This new coin that we're talking about is Aventus. Aventus is a top layer 2 project. This is similar to a Polkadot type play. It's similar to a Polygon type play. Now this is a hidden altcoin gem. I don't think too many people are talking about this. You know, we love to find the coins that are under the radar. Nobody's talking about them. So just like AIOZ Network, we bought that joker at 1 penny. Pendle, we bought that at 4 cents. We like to buy coins that no one is talking about and that have great potential based on the charts and based on the history that these coins have been running through. So currently, this is the number 864 largest coin in the world. This is a very small cap coin. This coin is very low. This coin has a lot of room to pump, a lot of room to run. Currently, the price is in the $3 range, $3.24, $3.10. The market cap for this coin is $19 million. Now, that is such a very low cap coin, which gives this type of play a lot of room to grow, a lot of room to have multipliers. You're talking about 10x, 20x, a lot of X's for a play like this if this joker do catch fire and really start to go parabolic. But one of the main things that caught my attention about this coin is the supply. The maximum supply of this coin is 10 million. There are only 10 million of these coins that are that will ever be in circulation. We know Bitcoin, the circulation on Bitcoin is very low, it's very scarce. It's 19 or 21 million Bitcoins. This coin right here only have 10 million. So once this thing, the popularity of this coin really start to take off, if this thing catch wildfire and really start to run and people start buying up these coins, those 10 million coins are going to be gone very quick. The scarcity of this coin is going to increase. The supply is going to decrease. The demand is going to increase. And that will be an instant supply shock, similar to what Bitcoin will be experiencing after the Bitcoin halving. So you may want to get some skin in the game right now while this coin is at one of the low points. You know, everybody know that we are going through a little bit of a correction. So we're looking for great plays, great coins to buy during this correction. What plays can we take advantage of during this correction? Now we're looking at Aventus. This play came out years ago in 2017. In 2017, this play came out at $2. 2018, January, the all-time high hit, and this play hit $6. In 2020, the bear market came. This thing took a dip along with all the other coins. It dipped down to 10 cents. So went from $2 to $6 to 10 cents in 2020. Well, we know 2020 was the last Bitcoin halving. Always the year after the Bitcoin halving is when these coins really start to grow and do parabolic runs. So in 2021, this coin went to $5.50. Now that is a 55x. 2020, 10 cent to 2021, it went to $5.50. Now that is showing great signs, great characteristics that this play have already been through several bull runs, already been through a couple of Bitcoin halvings. So this coin have already showed you how it will respond, how it can respond in the bull runs, how it can respond after Bitcoin halving. So now currently in 2023, a few days ago, or last year in 2023, the coin was at 74 cents. March 14th was just a few days ago, that coin reached a new all-time high, which was $6.70. And you guys know, whenever coins reach the all-time high or break their resistance level, that's when these coins really go parabolic. So this coin is already showing early, before the official bull market start, before the Bitcoin halving, that it can break the all-time high. We're already at new all-time highs in 2024. We're just going through a pullback. Currently it's at $3.24. But a few weeks ago, it did blow through the roof and eclipse $6.50, reach a new all-time high. So once this coin really start to recover, once the market start to recover and it get past the $6.50 mark, get past the $7 mark, who knows where this coin could go. The market cap for this coin is $19 million. For this coin to do a 10x, you're only talking about $190 million. That is an easy accomplishment for a coin like this to reach. You're talking about $1.9 billion market cap, and that will make this coin a 100x. This coin right here is a no-brainer. You look at the total supply of the coin, there's only 10 million coins out there. For this coin to do a 100x, it only have to reach $1.9 billion, not even $2 billion. Look at all the coins right now that's valued at $1 billion. Look at all the coins that valued at $2 billion. And this coin only have to reach $1.9 billion to do a 100x. I'm locking this one in. This is going to be another great coin by in my portfolio that will hit another 100x. I got several coins already, excuse me, in my portfolio that did a 100x. We're just going to add the AVT coin to that particular category where it will be another 100x coin. I'll bring this play to you guys in about 9 months, 12 months, and I'm going to show that this play have done a 100x. Currently the price is at $3. So for it to do a 300x, we're talking about $300. Can AVT hit a $300 mark? We're going to sit back, we're going to watch, and we're going to watch these doggone charts run up. We're going to wait till the parabolic run happen, the official bull market happened, things calmed down in the global economy, and we're just gonna kick back and watch these plays happen. So, like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We are always talking about hot new plays over there. We're always bouncing great ideas off each other. So if you're looking for a great community to join, we would love to have you over there. And like I say, I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good motivation. Coming to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. Now, the Bitcoin halving is in about 1.5 days. The Stock Holiday Show will be on. You better tune in. I think we're going to be going live all day during the day of the Bitcoin halving. That's going to be a great celebration. We've been looking forward to that particular day for years, not just 1 year, but multiple years. So we're going to celebrate that day as a cryptocurrency community. Tune in live to the Stock Holiday Show. The day of the Bitcoin halving, we will be running all day. I'm talking about for hours. YouTube might get tired of us and pull the plug, but we are going to be running the Stock Holiday live show all day. So that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.